Hey there and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a mailing list in Mailchimp step by step. If you're new to email marketing, this is a fantastic place to start. By the end of this video, you'll have your own sign-up form embedded on your website, ready to capture new subscribers without any complicated coding. So let's dive right in and get your mailing list up and running. First, head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. If you're not signed up yet, don't worry, making an account is quick and free for small lists. Once you're in, the first thing we need to do is find where your audience lives, because in Mailchimp, your audience is your mailing list. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a tab called Audience. Give that a click. Think of this as the hub for all your subscribers, current and future. It's where all the magic starts. Now, after you've entered the audience section, you'll want to go to the audience dashboard. It's usually right up top and gives you an overview of your list, including how many people are on it and some great stats. But for now, let's focus on growing your audience. Look for the Manage Audience dropdown. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the tools for managing and growing your list. Go ahead and hover over or select it, and you'll see an option called Sign Up Forms. Choose that. At this point, Mailchimp offers several kinds of sign-up forms, but for most websites, the embedded form is the easiest and most flexible option. Embedded means you can drop the form right into any page on your website, kind of like inserting a recipe card into a cookbook. So click on Create New Form and select the embedded form option. Next, you'll be prompted to give your form a name. This is just for your own organization. Your website visitors won't see it. For example, you can type something like Sample 1 or whatever makes sense for your campaign or list purpose. Naming forms is especially helpful if you plan to set up several sign-up forms for different segments or website pages. Go ahead and continue to the form builder. Here, where you'll customize what information you want to collect from your subscribers. On the Select Form Fields or Similar section, you'll see checkboxes for things like first name, last name, email address, maybe even phone number or birthday, depending on your needs. Just enable all the fields that matter to you, but keep in mind, asking for too much info up front can sometimes turn people away, so try to strike a balance. If all you really need is an email, that's totally fine, but if you want to personalize your emails later, it's helpful to collect first names now. Once you've picked your form fields, hit Continue. Now comes the part where we actually get this form onto your website. Mailchimp will generate a small piece of HTML code for your embedded form. This part might look a bit intimidating if you've never worked with code before, but don't worry. All you have to do is copy that code, just highlight it and press Ctrl+C or Command+C. Now, head over to your website editor. Wherever you want the sign-up form to appear, maybe it's your homepage, a dedicated newsletter page, or even your blog sidebar, paste that code in. Usually there's an HTML block or custom code widget you can use. Save or publish your changes and that's it. Your form is live. Now, whenever someone fills out your form and hits submit, Mailchimp will automatically add them to your mailing list. There's no manual copying, no spreadsheets, and no juggling emails, just a smooth, professional subscriber experience from the first click. And there you have it. Creating a mailing list in Mailchimp and adding a sign-up form to your site is really that straightforward, and it's an essential step in growing your audience and building your email marketing. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or want more tips, and of course, subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy list building.